Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete copied message in WhatsApp. So if you actually copy a message on WhatsApp and it's always on your clipboard, you don't want anybody saying that, this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open up your WhatsApp app just like this. Once you open it up, you're going to click on the presence chats you want to actually that you have copied, or just literally any chat. So let's say I copy this right like this. And how do you see it? It depends on your Android how you actually see your clipboard on the keypad, right? So how I check mine is by tapping on any of these parts, right? And you're going to see clipboard right above. Click on clipboard, and all you need to do is you press down on the chat you want to actually delete. Once you you press down, you're going to see this part where it show a trash bin. Click on trash bin right there, and the message is going to get deleted once copied. It's very simple. Just click on that waste bin, it's going to be deleted. This is just literally how to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. If you find this guided, please give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.